a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. We are doing a requested blend. Rochelle Ray requested to blend colors purple, blue, and black, and so that's what we'll be doing today. And for the color black, we're just using 1B. You know, I haven't used that color 1B in a while. I think the last time I used it was my very first video, and so this will be a little different to give you guys a little natural, put some natural colors in here. And I'm just going to do a little chit chat with you guys. So I was thinking for the month of March to do a March Madness blend and to put out one blending video a day in the month of March. Now I was going to go a little extreme and do 2 videos a day, but you know, I'm not going to promise that, but I can definitely see myself being able to do 1 video a day. I'm looking at this sheet of paper that I have with all of your blend requests written down, and there are at least 50. There's like 50 or more requests. So I figured if I could do 2 a day, I could get everything knocked out in the month of March, because I know a lot of you guys want to see all these colors, but it's taking forever to get them up. But I myself want to see these colors, because this blend actually I really love, and so I'm naming this Purple Rain. And I honestly wish I would have done this blend sooner, because I would have definitely put this blend on my website along with it would have been the very first set of hair blends that I would put on my website. But I've already got my inventory and my hair for the first couple blends that I'll be putting on there, so unfortunately this won't be the very first. But this blend will definitely be coming soon, let's say that. I'm going to try to get these colors in and get these blends mixed up, and so I'm hoping here by the end of March, mid to the end of March, that I'll be able to have this blend on my website. My website will have my hair blends up here within the next 2 weeks. I don't want to give you guys a set date, because just in case everything doesn't follow through, but it will be within the next 2 weeks. And for right now, I will have just the blends, but eventually I will add more blends, and I will continue to add more blends. And I will also have solid colors up for those that want to do their own little thing. You know, maybe I don't have your blend up, but you can purchase solid colors eventually. So yeah, if you're down for me to do this March Madness, like if you really love my blends that much that you want to see 1 or 2 videos a day, then just comment March Madness in the comments below, and then I will definitely go ahead and do that. If I don't get enough comments of March Madness, I'm not gonna do it, because I don't want to flood you guys with these videos. I know a lot of you like it, but I don't want to flood you guys with daily videos if you don't want them daily. So this blend was coming out a little too bright, so I did go ahead and add back a little more black and blue to the mix, just to darken it up a little bit. You know, because it was looking good. I just had to add a little more flavor, just a little dash, you know. So I had a couple clients lined up this month that were going to come in and do some braids with some of these hair blends, but unfortunately I was not feeling well last week, and so that I ended up having to cancel a few of my appointments, and I lost out on some clients that were going to come in with some blends. But I still have a client that's coming in at the end of this month with a blend. Unfortunately, right now I do not know the color or the mix she's going to do, so cross my fingers. Let's really hope that it's a good mix, because I really want to show you guys what it looks like, what these blends look like on as a style, like, you know, as a box. And it's box braids, it's knotless box braids. So, you know, and of course, if I can get some more clients that want to do some mix, I will definitely get those recorded and put out for you guys. Okay, so I lied. I couldn't help myself. I added a little more black. I was going for a little more darker mix, if you can't tell by now. So yeah, I just added a little more black, and I think I I think I'm good at this point. And so you guys will see what it looks like at the end. That's enough chit chat. You be sure to watch until the very end. You guys will see what the blend looks like as a braid. Don't forget, if you want to see this If you want to see this March Madness, make sure to comment March Madness down below. If you like this blend or if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are not already, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more blends. And you guys be blessed, stay safe, and stay filled with love and peace. And I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.